In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to host multiple websites with your hosting plan using Hostinger's hPanel. Whether you're expanding your online presence or managing various projects, learning how to host multiple websites under one account can be a valuable skill. So let's dive in and walk through the process step by step. First, head over to Hostinger's website and log into your account. If you're not familiar, the login button is usually located at the top right corner of the home page. This is where you manage all your hosting solutions, making it crucial to access hPanel first. Once you're in, you'll see a variety of options. Navigate to the Websites section. This area is your control center, where you'll find all the domains currently under your management. Look for the three dots or More Options menu. It's typically located next to the domain names. Clicking this will give you additional choices for managing each specific website. From the dropdown, select Dashboard. This option takes you to a more detailed view, offering deeper insights and settings for your site. Once in the dashboard, verify that the existing domain is connected correctly. It should be obvious, with your domain's name displayed prominently at the top. Having this confirmation ensures that the initial setup of your original site is intact and working properly, which is vital before adding more websites. Next, return to the main Websites section by using your browser's back button or navigating through the menu. Once back, find the option labeled Add Website. This is your gateway to hosting several websites using the same hosting package. Click on it and you'll be prompted to start the setup process for a new domain or website. Follow the guided setup to configure the details for your additional website. You'll often be asked to input a new domain name, so be prepared with this information. Some hosting plans come with a free domain, but if not, make sure you have a domain ready to use. Continue to the